in front of you on the occasion of Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav to commemorate the birth anniversary of revered Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati. The digital age has revolutionized the way we communicate, creating a world where words transcend boundaries, connect cultures, and bridge diverse perspectives. So, my friends, the integration of language and technology is more than a technical marvel. It is a cultural phenomenon that empowers societies, fosters inclusivity, and drives innovation. Here I will tell you that how interplay between languages and technology shapes the modern world. Language as a medium of communication has been significantly impacted by technology. Social media platforms, messaging apps, and blogging websites have amplified the accessibility and speed of communication. As we all know, real-time translation tools such as Google Translate have brought multilingual communication to our fingertips, enabling individuals from different linguistic backgrounds to interact seamlessly. Internet slang, emojis, and memes are examples of how traditional linguistic structure evolved to meet the demands of digital communication. Here I would like to tell you about the technology like artificial intelligence in linguistics. AI plays a pivotal role in language processing. Tools such as NLP, natural language processing, enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. These tools enable business, tourists, and diplomats to engage in dialogue without language barriers. As we talk about the socio-cultural impact, technology fosters cultural exchange, making diverse literature, music, and films available across linguistic barriers. Multilingual websites ensure inclusivity, allowing individuals to consume content in their native language. Platforms like YouTube offer captions in various languages, making content universally accessible. How can we forget about to discuss the future trends? Voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant are evolving to understand regional accent and dialects, enhancing users' experience. So here I would like to end my speech with the concluding words. The fusion of languages and technology shapes a digitally inclusive world where words hold transformative power. This blend has redefined communication, education, culture, and business, fostering a global society interconnected through linguistic diversity. However, as we embrace the advancements, we must address the ethical and practical challenges to ensure that technology respects and preserves linguistic heritage. In the digital age, the power of words amplified by technology continues to unite, inspire, and transform humanity. Thank you. Have a knowledgeful day.